Before you take another sip of your morning coffee, you need to hear the shocking fact. Studies show your coffee maker contains about twice as much bacteria as your toilet seat. And I'm not talking about harmless bacteria. We're talking about potentially dangerous microorganisms that could be making you sick every single morning. I'm going to show you exactly why this happens, what it's doing to your health, and how to fix it with simple eco-friendly solutions that cost less than $5. Here's what most people don't realize. Your coffee maker creates the perfect storm for bacterial growth. Think about it. Warm temperature between 140 and 100 degrees, constant moisture from steam and water residue, dark spaces where bacteria thrive, and organic matter from coffee oils that feed microorganisms. Research from NSF International found that coffee makers rank the 5th germiest item in your home, dirtier than your kitchen faucet, cutting board, and yes, your toilet seat. We're talking about bacteria types which can cause pneumonia and urinary tract infections, nausea, vomiting, and respiratory issues. But here's the kicker. While your toilet seat gets cleaned regularly with disinfectants, when's the last time you deep cleaned your coffee maker? Most people have never cleaned theirs properly. That means months or even years of bacterial buildup coating the inside of your machine, contaminating every cup you drink. This bacterial buildup isn't just gross, it's affecting your health. That morning stomach upset you blame on too much caffeine, it might actually be bacteria. The musty taste in your coffee that you've gotten used to, that's biofilm, a protective layer bacteria creates to survive and multiply. Some people experience headaches, digestive issues, and even respiratory problems from drinking coffee made in contaminated machines. The good news is you can eliminate this bacteria buildup using eco-friendly ingredients you probably already have at home. These aren't harsh chemicals that leave residue in your machine. They're natural acids that kill bacteria while being completely safe for you and your family. I'm going to walk you through 3 proven methods that will make your coffee maker cleaner than your toilet seat, plus show you the maintenance schedule that prevents this from happening again. First method uses white vinegar and water. This is the gold standard for coffee maker cleaning. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in your reservoir. The acidic acid in vinegar has microbial that kill bacteria and dissolve mineral buildup. Run a complete brew cycle, then let the solution sit in your carafe for 15 minutes. This contact time is crucial for killing stubborn bacteria. After 15 minutes, run 2 more complete cycles with plain water to rinse. You'll know it's working when you see mineral deposits and dark residue coming at it the first rinse cycle. Pro tip, if your machine has a cleaning cycle setting, use that instead of the regular brew cycle for maximum effectiveness. Second option is fresh lemon juice mixed with water. Use 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice to 3/4 cup of water. Lemon citric acid is naturally antibacterial and antifungal. Plus it leaves your machine smelling fresh instead of like vinegar. Same process. Brew the cycle, let it sit for 15 minutes, then rinse twice with plain water. The citric acid breaks down mineral buildup while killing bacteria, and the natural oils in lemon help eliminate that musty smell that develops in neglected machines. For stubborn buildup, or if you haven't cleaned your machine in months, dissolve 2 tablespoons of baking soda in a full reservoir of water. Baking soda is alkaline, which neutralizes acid and bacteria produce and helps break down organic buildup. Run the cycle, let it sit for 30 minutes, then follow immediately with the vinegar solution for maximum effectiveness. This 2-punch eliminates even the most stubborn bacterial colonies. Don't forget the outside components. Remove and wash the carafe, filter basket, and any removable parts in warm soapy water. Wipe down the hot plate and exterior with a damp cloth and a drop of dish soap. These areas harbor bacteria too, especially around the filter basket where coffee residue accumulates. Here's your maintenance schedule. Clean your coffee maker weekly if you use it daily, bi-weekly for occasional use. This prevents bacteria from establishing colonies and keeps your coffee tasting fresh. Daily maintenance is simple. Rinse the carafe and filter basket after each use and leave the lid open to air dry. This prevents moisture buildup that bacteria loves. What is the grossest thing you found in your kitchen? Let me know in the comments below. If this was helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next video on home maintenance secrets.